Welcome back everyone to another episode of Neil's Next Door. It is another day, and today we are at the Georgia Festival of Trees at the Georgia Congress Center in Atlanta. We're about to look for all these little snowmen all over the place to win a prize and keep this going. So you getting ideas for your Christmas tree?
We can't add any more to our tree, but like you say, you know how these hang better, because I can't even put half my stuff on it. Watch out behind me. I can't even put half my stuff on it.
Sherelle likes this one real tree that we get, which is like, it's more of a bush than anything else. It's very unevenly shaped. You can't hang a lot of different things on it, but she loves it because of how full it is. I keep telling her, the vibe of a tree that she wants, she needs to get a tree that has a structure in place to where she can actually get the consistency and the feel. But she doesn't want to listen to me, so you know, we're going to give and take and kind of go from there. Now the kids are going around looking for little snowmen, and I think they win a prize. Alright, so if you don't know what the Georgia Festival of Trees is, it's an 8-day event that happens every year where they show different various decorated trees. There's a gift shop, there's snacks, there's actually holiday shows as well. You guys can see right now that I just showed a video of a group of young girls actually performing on stage. It's pretty cool. There's also gingerbread houses to look at. There's a small little model city. There's a lot of, like, it's not really like a lot of activities to do. It's more so just looking around and kind of getting into the holiday spirit. They invited us out this year, so it's been actually a pretty good experience so far. There's also a place where you can actually take pictures with Santa Claus. What I like about it is actually not really crowded. You know, it is a little expensive. It's pretty much like $20 a person, give or take. So that can rack up pretty quickly, but a lot of the money actually gets donated. So that's good. And there is a reindeer games area where there's Legos, there's activities for kids to do. So we're gonna take a look at that right now. What you making, London?
Snowflake.
Let me see what it look like. We got a nice little pattern going on. All right, so we're in the reindeer game section right now. It's like arts and crafts for the kids to do. There's a few games, they get to win prizes, face painting. So they're having a good old time. You gotta buy tickets for this park, but each thing is like $1 each. It's like 10 tickets for $8, I think, or 8 tickets for $10. One of those two type deals. But the kids are enjoying themselves, and that's all that matters. One thing that's pretty cool is that there's a schedule packed of shows throughout the day, from performances from all over the place. So every day has something different. So it's actually pretty